Health savings accounts are the single best tax-advantaged account in the US Code. Contributions reduce your taxable income, the money grows tax-free, and qualified withdrawals are tax-free. That is a triple tax advantage no IRA, 401k, or Roth comes close to. Here are the 2026 limits and the receipt strategy that turns an HSA into a retirement account. 2026 contribution limits. Self-only HDHP coverage, $4,400 per year. Family HDHP coverage, $8,750 per year. Catch-up for anyone 55 or older, an additional $1,000. So a 56-year-old with family coverage can contribute $9,750 total in 2026. Contributions can come from your paycheck pre-tax or after-tax with a deduction on Form 8889. HDHP requirement. To contribute to an HSA, you must be covered by a high-deductible health plan and have no other disqualifying coverage. 2026 HDHP minimum deductible, $1,650 self, $3,300 family. Maximum out-of-pocket, $8,300 self, a $16,600 family. If your plan deductible is lower than the minimum, it does not qualify as HDHP and you cannot contribute to an HSA that year. The triple tax advantage explained. First, contributions reduce your taxable income dollar for dollar. A $5,000 contribution at a 22% marginal rate saves $1,100 in federal tax instantly. Second, any investment growth inside the HSA, interest, dividends, capital gains, is tax-free as long as it stays in the account. Third, withdrawals for qualified medical expenses come out tax-free at any age. No IRA or 401k offers all three. The receipt-shoebox retirement strategy. There is no time limit on when you can reimburse yourself for qualified medical expenses. So if you pay $2,000 in dental work in 2026 out of your checking account but leave your HSA invested in stocks, you can keep that receipt for 30 years and withdraw $2,000 tax-free in 2056 to reimburse yourself. In the meantime, that $2,000 in the HSA compounded into a much larger amount. HSAs become a retirement account. What happens at 65? Once you turn 65, you can withdraw from your HSA for ANY purpose, not just medical, without the 20% penalty. Non-medical withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income, similar to a traditional IRA. But medical withdrawals stay tax-free forever. So at 65, your HSA becomes the most flexible account you own. Medical equals tax-free, anything else equals taxed like an IRA. Common mistakes. Contributing while on Medicare disqualifies the contribution entirely and triggers a 6% excise tax until corrected. Switching from family to self-HDHP mid-year requires prorating the limit. Spending HSA money on non-qualified expenses before 65 triggers the 20% penalty plus ordinary income tax, a brutal combined hit of 40+%. Recap. 2026 HSA limits, $4,400 self, $8,750 family, plus $1,000 catch-up at 55. HDHP required. Deductible $1,650 self, $3,300 family minimum. Triple tax advantage. Deduction. Growth. Withdrawal. Use the receipt-shoebox strategy to turn HSA into retirement. After 65, non-medical withdrawals lose the penalty.